Buddy, it's Easter morning. As you can tell, it's Easter morning. Well, it's actually the day after Easter. I was at my dad yesterday, so we Easter at his house and we ate and stuff like that. So now I'm having it at my mom's house, and I got to stay home from school because my sister has her break and I don't. So we're gonna. But I got peeps. I'm not particularly fond of peeps. If I had the choice, I would not eat them because I just don't like not cooked marshmallows or toasted. So we're gonna microwave them. So we have just a regular old plate, and we have some coffee filters because it does stick to the pan because it melts. So we're just gonna have that on there, just to, you know. Now we're going to open the microwave and we're going to set this down. And we're just going to cook it for 30 seconds and see what happens. This is a new microwave. It's only like a little old. It's like a month, not even, it's like 3 months old. My hair's on fleek for just waking up. I'm just going to rip off the side of the coffee filter so you can actually see what's going on. I'm sorry. There we go. So I just took out a couple pieces of the coffee filter, throwing it in the garbage. It's morning, so I'm still in my pajamas. Just gonna shut it. And we're gonna type in 30 seconds. So they're really big. Hot? Whoa. They're like fluffy. Let's try a little bit longer. Oh, I need to move it. It's in the middle.